To enable dark mode in the Google Play Store, follow a few quick setting steps inside the app. This guide will help you switch to a darker, more comfortable viewing experience easily. First of all, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account and settings options. From the menu, tap on Settings. Inside the settings page, you will see multiple sections related to your account, notifications, and preferences. Tap on General to expand more options. After that, look for the theme option and select it. Now you will see three choices: light, dark, and system default. If you want the Play Store to always stay in dark mode, choose dark. This will instantly change the app's appearance to a darker interface. If you prefer the app to automatically match your phone's system settings, select System Default instead. This option is useful if you switch between light and dark modes on your device. Once you select your preferred theme, the changes will apply immediately without needing to restart the app. That's it, you have successfully enabled dark mode in the Google Play Store app. Now you can browse apps, games, and updates with a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light conditions or during nighttime use.